not watermark. Keybind still works. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be continuing what I did last stream, which was finishing up these what's it called? What is it? Keybinds. So far, I've been able to get a majority of the stuff in, but right now I'm trying to replace events whenever you switch between them, which is proving to be a little bit more difficult than I expected. And then also, once I set all of that stuff in, I have to actually set up like a keybind screen, because right now it's just like my thing is just, it's literally just this. This is what the keybinds look like. So we're just gonna be messing around, figuring out what works and what doesn't. My face is not on camera, and that's intentional. Just give me like 2 seconds, and I'm gonna fix that up. But it's been nice, man. I've been making some good progress. Well, let me just go old-fashioned. I haven't actually posted like this. We have to focus on making some sound effects soon. Boom. If you want to know what I'm singing right now, it's the beautiful music that I created. Sure. It's not what I wanted to do, but I'll stick with it. See, I don't really know what much to say. This is gonna be a pretty like locked in session, so I'm gonna be like, oh, is this not gonna happen? That's not what it's supposed to be doing. Dang it. Okay, yeah. I think it's because my screen was locked. Hmm.
You on the cams?
Yeah.
It's good stream.
Who do you think you are, boy?
W stream.
Mm-mm-mm.
What you working on right now?
Did I? The what's it called? Keybinds.
Keybinds.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
Oh.
enter. I see what I did. Like it. Okay. So let's go back to this thing. Um. Input map dot action erase event. Oh, that's what I need to check. Okay. Was a little confused. I was about to say if my game was about to crash already. Last time I thought my file was really big, but the reason why it crashed was because I had like the original game saved onto this like big folder, and it made my game like really big. Now you see, this is not what I want to happen. Okay, because there's two buttons binded to this attack, so I can press enter or P, but I don't want that to happen. This makes sense. I'm controlling both of them with the. Damn, bro, like grab does a lot of damage. Okay, elf input type equals. So what I wanted to check is if this worked in the first place, which I'm pretty sure it didn't, but no, it does. So it runs this. Oh, it checks if they're the same key code. Okay. So let's figure this out. Okay, for input and input arrays. So yeah, that's what would be this. It's going through each input in there. Oh, do I want it to be up here? I think so. Is this supposed to be on the same indent? I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, it's not. I'm trying to gather the vision here, but it's not making sense to me. I was writing a lot of stuff. Yo! Alright, see you! Love you too. Input type. Oh. Okay, that makes sense. So if I bind this to E, then if I go back in here, it should do it for. Why is it taking? Is it taking more damage on the left? This is weird, bro. So does this not work? No, it does. Okay. We wouldn't have to check for a device because this is input event key. Nope, that's not why. Does this run? So if that it statement worked, then it should have. No. Oh, it checks, but it's not. I don't think this is supposed to be in here. Let me go and check this, okay? So this removes it here if the button index is the same. I didn't do this. Input event key. Oh wait, that actually works now. Okay, take this out. Let me space these out a little bit. We don't have to worry about this for now. And then first check if it's running, and then we check if it's working. So it's not running. Even though it should. Let's go to this key code thing. This key code 69. Then what is 0? 0 is unset. Okay, so then wait, yo, what? I check for the key code, then it says 0. Okay, where's actions? Bro, this is like, is it because of the physical key code thing? Let's do this real quick. I just want to input type. I want to look at some of the properties here. Text, physical key code. Location, physical key code. I gotta say, this is losing me. This is why I can't, like, I always want to finish stuff like the day of. So I don't get confused on stuff like this. Oh, wait, I need to check the print. Not the breakpoint. This is weird, man. This is so weird. I don't know, like, what to do. Because setting it up is different than it actually being an event. Like, as text key code. Is that what I just had it as? I think so. That's hilarious. Come on, man. And it works with the controller. And then, bro, this is such a troll. Because if I do as text, I'm going to try it one more time. But there's this thing as text, okay? And then, bro, it does the stupidest thing, bro. I'll do it as text. And then they're not equal to each other. Because there's this little physical thing here. But then I can't change the physical property to be false. And I can't change it to be true. So I'm just... like, that's what I don't understand. I'm pretty sure there's something up here. Oh, what's up, Tristan? There's got to be something to, like, input type dot. This might be it. I feel like there has to be something to convert it. Because they're the same type of thing. But, like... bro. I don't even know what to say at this point. I'm low-key thinking about just giving up on controller. Okay. Let me try this with the controller. Because I'm like 80% sure it works. But I'm also not sure. I'm hoping it works with controller. Because then what I can do is just not focus on PC controls today. Because if I can't get something working, then it makes no sense for me to force it to try and get it to work. Or my controller can just not connect. That's cool as well. Damn. I'm just like 0 for 4 today. Just bad shot after bad shot. Just after bad shot. This is ridiculous. USB. Oh, there we go. Okay. Is that what I wanted to do? Yes. I need to fix this. So here's the thing. All right. So I'm gonna comment all of this out. Because I need to fix this. But I can't fix it right now. So then what I can actually do is just go to input. All right. No, this takes them out. What I want to do is now. Okay. Because I know there was something where I found it and I matched it. No, stay hidden, boy. So let's do toggle comment. For input in input arrays. How could I get the previous action? Because I'm already going through a for loop. Oh, it does it here. Input was right, and then I could do this, and then action, and then where new input was, right, and then hopefully bunch of errors. Oh, I love that. Oh wait, no, never mind. It tells me where it is. Right? Wait, what? Hold on. Why did I create another for loop here? Input, action. input action. Oh my god, bro. Okay. I need to figure out how to fix this. Where is input action? Where do I create? Oh, so input action is our actual thing, okay? This input array gets the actions in those things and then checks if that is an input event joypad, and then it removes it from there. So we need to do this where our new input was. So it would have to be here though, right? But it might just be giving me like the wrong thing. Or not the wrong thing, but like input event, joypad, button index. Yeah. Why didn't it give me an error there? Oh, it's probably because it didn't run. Okay. So then, would it be action? So then it's action. Not. Jump 0. How do I refer to it here? Because at first I thought it was not action, input. If I do this, low key. If I do this, low key. Okay, got no error. Doing the right thing. It's just not coming out correctly. I'm doing the right thing in theory. I hate this, bro. Light attack used to be square. Let's keep working. So I'm assuming this just didn't run because our where new input was null. But if we're moving it here, okay. It would need to be action. Okay, so let's do... And let's see if it's changing. Because that could be possible. Like, I have the order wrong. Yeah. It's just the order that's wrong. Let's put this for loop inside of here. Right? No, it's supposed to be at 4. That's weird. Oh, wait. So it was null. Which I still don't understand. This shouldn't change anything though. It's just like, wait, I got an error. How is this null? Because if I'm doing it once, that's another thing that's weird. Why does it like double randomly? Oh man. 1 second. I glitched my game. Maybe it's probably just the error blocking it. I'm not gonna view into that. I'm just like, because I just don't get it. What is it? Desperate times calls for desperate measures. Because the idea is there. What is it telling me now? Bro. The keybinds again. Okay. How about this? Okay. Let's start over. Let's completely start over. All right. You see, this old system, I didn't understand it, so I'm gonna work in a system that I actually understand, and then I can work efficiently. First thing I need to do. Okay. So our goal is to switch the inputs. We had it working here to where it removes it. So it gets the input action, like our actual input arrays. Oh, this is in a bunch of other for loops. This is separate to all of this. So this all needs to be in here. I don't know why I do this though. Like I don't. So that gets everything for jump. Wait, no. Because enters our light attack. So that gets everything for our light attack for 0. And then we loop through all of that. And then we check if that event is a joypad. And then we erase it. So this stores our input. That's a controller. Okay? So we want to, since we have this input saved, we want to bring that to, let me just set it up. So action, add event. So we would have some type of event here. I thought it worked. It only works if I do that. And then our event is going to be the input. Right? I think so. I don't know why I erased this one. Because then there's no point of me doing this for loop. But if it works, I'm not gonna mess with it. So then now we need to get the input action. Okay? So up here, we check it and find it. Okay? So what my plan was to set this thing equal to where our original event would be, which is action. And then we enter it through here. We check if our new input is actually a thing. And then watch, if I enter it twice, it's gonna go. Can you no, it doesn't. It's removing. Is it removing the events? Okay, wait. Let me see if this is because of what I added. How? If I'm adding the event, how does that break move? Oh my god. Oh, wait. Because it's going through this entire for loop. Okay. Var removed. Everything is just being added to the jump to the event, because everything is being added to this dictionary because this is going through everything. So if our input action is the event, yeah, that's why we need to actually use this. Okay, no. This is a simple change. See, this is why I need to work in a system that I understand. It took me a little bit to piece it together. But what I'm assuming is that I just added freaking keybinds to this game. No, I didn't. No, it jumped on X, bro. I was so close. But it's almost there. It's almost there. Let's comment this out and let's see if that was a problem, because it was breaking before and now it's not. So then could I not just do if action is equal or does not equal wait, let me slow down. What is our action is? Oh, it's okay. This is a list of removed actions. Okay, so we have to check. Wait. It's weird. I hope this doesn't print two different things. It doesn't. So this is jump 0. Okay. This is wrong. Why is everything... Everything is just light attack now. Why did uh is it not gonna show me? Hello, why is it empty? Bro, okay. Wait, okay. I think I have a feeling that I understand what's going on. Okay. Also, I thought this would equal a trigger, but it doesn't. So we're also gonna have to switch something for dashing. Oh my god, bro. This is this is gonna be way more complicated than I expected. Uh and dashing is actually what I wanted to add keybinds in for the most. Ugh. Okay. Why does it run it twice? Oh. It shouldn't matter because oh wait, no, never mind. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I think I realized it. So, I think what's happening. Oh, wait, no. Do I understand what's happening? Okay, wait. Let me just figure out. Oh, wait. No, this can't work. Shoot. Um. Like this for loop shouldn't change. But why does it change? Do I want to restart this? Because this is like completely broken. Like But it's not. Wait, bro. I actually can't do this, bro. But if I try to do this for Y, I don't think it's gonna work. It actually give me an error. Yeah, like that makes no sense. Like this should work, but it doesn't. But I'm gonna just try it. This isn't cool. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah, I hate counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this does the right thing. Yeah, the triggers do not count. That sucks. Okay. So why is joy button 3? And I never get 3 here. I don't ever get 3 here. But it's definitely here. Wait, heavy attacks are just not in here. Oh my god. I can't do it, bro. Okay, so then, and we also need to set something so we don't get an error, which is, no, I thought it was gonna work. Okay, so then, low-key, I'm thinking this is valid. I don't know how, I just didn't add heavy attacks. Okay, so here. Okay. Stick with this for now, like just because of like okay, then now beautiful. Now I want to bind. Okay. So that's what I wanted to do this stream. But now I want to implement something else and it's starting to get cold. I'm going to put this hoodie on. But another thing I wanted to implement was what's it called? The settings inside of, oh wait, I forgot. I need to also make these a thing. So I need to make the keybinds section an actual section instead of just whatever I have it as right now. So do I just wait? Yeah, but can you not like space them out, buddy? Come on, man. Your VBox container, you can't like space them out, man. Like, come on, bro. What is the point of me even setting you up then? Or do I have to set it up? Oh, this is weird. Maybe I needed to match the size of this. Maybe? No. Oh, okay. All right. And then let's do light attack, heavy attack, jump. What else do I have here? Block. And then I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, because I can't do dash right now. So then let's make another one where we just change all of these player index to be 0. Settings, I may have to put just right here, just so we have some more space for now. I'm probably gonna make this settings thing a little bit more interactive, so like you can go into like different parts. This is really crowded. Oh, and I also have to change this. Player 1 keybinds, player 2 keybinds. So what? How does this index thing work? Oh, I also need to put checking plus str player index, but then the player index, and these all need to be 2, I'm assuming. Yeah. We're gonna switch the buttons for them and like make these actually look good in the future. One thing I'm just going to set up right now because I hate looking at it is stupid freaking what's it called? Like the ugly button thing, and then also the font. The font should change. No, it doesn't. Get it off of my screen. Let's also make this unique just while we have it set up so we don't break it. Okay. Of course. Let's actually move this text rect to like right here. No, I can't do that. Oh, I can move it to the front of the button because then it's like it's gonna fit like regardless of what the text says. Oops, please crash. Okay, I know you look. Ask me which it looks. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to create another scene. Oh my god. This is super crowded. Okay. All right. So I'm going to fix this as well. Let's close menu screen. Let's close this. Let's go to practice range. And then our pause menu. We want to change this text to back. And then we're going to do the same exact thing we did in the pause menu with the guide, as we're just going to add the settings in here. Invisible, where settings, kind of acts in the morning, not scene transition. What do we do for guide? Oh, this would just be settings dot visible is equal to true, and then close this, go to settings, and then we also open up what's it called, our guide script, because there's two things that we set up. What's it called? So you have to go in settings. Pause equals false, because that's going to be like the default. And then VBox container and pause. Or is it HBox? Did I put it wrong? Yeah, this is a HBox. Come on, dude. Why am I saying come on, dude? I did be more. And let me actually change this. I want to change this to the tutorial screen. Saving. And then if we go to settings, I'm so unfair. I gave it all. Okay, so let's check real quick. So my mouse is broken. Where's mouse? What's going on? Like, I hate when you do this to me. Why do you just give me a random error? Settings is fine. Bro. Jesus Christ. Oh. Wait, that's weird. Okay, I mean, it works.
Man, it's man.
Wait, what? Yeah. I see. Okay, can my mouse go back to being normal, please? Like it's I just. I'm going to reset my game. If this does not work, I'm slamming my PC and I'm getting off for the rest of the night. Because this is annoying. This is annoying. This isn't even related to the issues I was having. Yo, like, what is wrong with this? I don't even understand the error either. Fail to instantiate scene. Make sure node count is 0. Make sure the pack scene resource is valid. Mm. It's working. Like, it's not even the fact that I have the error. That's not the problem. The problem is that this, like, this shouldn't be happening. Like, nothing I did today altered the mouse at all. But for some reason, the thing is, when I reset it, it doesn't read the mouse anymore. Where is this screen? See transition, right? I'm not accepting that. I think it's something. Ugh. Wait, what? Wait, I'm bugging. And I don't want to accept the fact of me freaking resetting it, but I might have to. Come on, man. Like, what? Bro. Dude. Like, I don't know what more this engine wants me to do, bro. I swear I literally everything was set up. I changed nothing with the mouse. And nowhere. Like, and this is so, another thing that's weird to me is that it's inactive in here. It's inactive in here because of what, like, it changes it. But it never changes in the other ones. Like, it just reverts back to normal. And that's so weird to me. Look, okay, we do this, it's fine. We go back here, there's nothing that changes it. It's still active. We're gonna play it. It's supposed to change its activity, and it doesn't. If we go to main menu, back to trade, then it just cuts it off. And then it doesn't bring it back. I don't know, bro. Like, you want me to make sense of this, bro? Just... Like, this is what irritates me about whatever this is. This is so frustrating, bro. Like, where is it being? I hate when it gives me those errors where you tell me absolutely nothing about the problem. The mouse is not being... From where? Tell me from where. Like, you're giving me a bunch of... Why is it not instantiating? like, how does that even happen? Bro, this is so irritating, bro. Okay, so let me add a button. Yeah, add 2 buttons. How does that even happen, bro? Genuinely, I'm so, like, I'm so done, bro. Take out both of these for your aura. So you're just gonna ignore. You're just gonna ignore these. Watch, but it's gonna connect them though. Like, yo, I'm so done, bro. I'm actually so done. Guide dot visible equals true. Couple rules coming on, cause there it was. In the dark. see. I forgot about that. Because I named it wrong. No! Oh my god, bruh. Wait, did I add a semicolon to the other one? No, I didn't. Okay. We're gonna mess with the menu screen a little bit here before I head off. I don't really know what I want to do with this. You see, the thing is there's 4 buttons, and I'm probably not gonna change how many buttons there are. But it's like, I think I'm gonna make these flat again. Then I'm gonna make these bigger. I have it saved, so I could always switch it back. And then, is middle low-key the move here with these? And then, is it because the box is too small? Yes, so let's expand these a little bit. Can get sub-expansion. Okay, let's give you some shadows, actually. I forgot how we do that. Constants. Is there not? No. Oh, man. Oh, wait. I should be able to do it here. Right. Should be a shadow. And I wonder how you sleep at night. You know that it's not just. See, like I really hate the fact that my streams are like completely silent, because I know that they're boring. But like, I knew if you guys were like listening to what I was listening to, you'd be like, "This is tough." Then you'd all be bobbing your heads. Is this not? So I thought this would separate it, but it doesn't. I think this is for the icon. I'm trying things. Oh wait, if I hover over it, it's gonna create the. Yeah. Except it's just not. It's not centered. Wait, no, that didn't work. Right? Oh, nah, I low-key just want to do this for the funsies. Plus equals 1. How did I create Tween's character? Okay, buddy. This is so cool. I don't know if I want to keep it like this. I can change it off of bounce. This is so cool. You get like I love tweens. I didn't use this for like a way more stuff that I have in my game. But let's try exponential. It's like quad, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know what these do. I'm just like. Wait, my stream resetted? When? Ugh. Weird. What else can I do? Is it gonna be weird? I just realized it might be different. Oh, because I can't change the position. So I wouldn't be able to tween it. I see the vision. But it's like, I don't even know if I need this V-Box container. Low key, since they're already set up. No, I said the calls. No. None of this is required, but like, this is just, I want to do this. You know, spice up the game a little bit. Make it just feel like more gamey. Yo. Why does the buttons not work now? Oh, that's so cool. It's because of these stupid texture X. That's weird. I need to create a tween manager. That would be too useful. There's gonna be so many things I have to set up. I would have to set so position, object, time, type. And then I think that's, oh, then property. String. What is that even called? I don't even know. Time float. Excuse me. This I can't determine. Do me. Is globals. This is gonna be very weird to use. Okay, tween manager dot tween. What the heck? Dot tween object. So our object is gonna be the VBox container. What is the next value we need to put? Time a 0.3. Type trans exponential. Yeah, that's another thing. So I'm gonna take out type. We're gonna do trans. Right? That's what it is, right? Oh, tween dot. Okay, wait. So then it's actually not gonna be that bad. Tween. Forgot what I said before. Let's just do expo, our property position, and then tween value is vector 2, 0, 127. Okay, happens way too fast. Or actually, maybe that's exactly how we want it. Yeah, that works. The next update is not centered. I don't think it's ever been centered. Like, I can't get these to adjust correctly. I don't know why. It just always... I like this idea, but it's just become broken. That's why I want to use tweens, but like, I don't even know what I could use tweens for this for. But yeah, it's 9:41. I'm not gonna get too perfectionist right now. I want to get some sleep so that I can continue tomorrow. I'm gonna make myself big for a second. Oh yeah, it fit perfectly. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching.